Hello everyone, a kind lady from Toronto gave me a set of hairdressing tools left by his father. The lady told me that his father used these tools all the time. They're about 50 years old. I'm going to restore this kit to like new condition. Let's start by fixing this pair of hairdressing scissors. This is a pair of Kelman Cross hairdressing scissors, made in the USA. The years have left deep marks on these scissors. And now we're going to make it as good as new. Compare the sharpness before and after the restoration. Can't cut tissue paper before restoration. Tissue paper can be cut easily after repair. The first step of cleaning. Second step, disassembly. In step 3, we repair the blade by hand. Though he's still very old in appearance, but the blade is as good as new. Sharpness is back to factory condition. He can now cut through tissue paper with ease. Next, we're going to sharpen and polish the scissors. Let's make him shine, reclaiming youth. Well, that's it for today. See you. If you like, please subscribe and like to turn on the little bell.